What's good, YouTube? It's your boy J-Lo here again, back again with another video. And today we getting right to it with the 350 swapped C4 Corvette. Today, I'm pretty sure the engine is seized, and I was reading online that there's a possibility that you could free it. The way to do it, you got to pull the coil out, pull out the spark plug, and then I'm gonna put some Marvel. I think it's like a Marvelous oil or something like that. Let me go get that. Hold on. This is the stuff that I was referring to, but we're gonna pump some of this in each cylinder and let it sit for maybe about a day or so, and then we're gonna come back and try to turn the engine if it works. So without further ado, let's jump into this bad boy. I also too think it'll be a great idea to go ahead and drain the oil just to make sure there are no metal shavings or metal chunks in that bad boy. So I'm gonna do the mystery oil first, and then I'll jump down and drain the oil in this, and I will let y'all see the process. Let's do it.
Day 2.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy J-Lo here, and this is day 2. I'm messing with the 86 Vet, and as y'all see, I ain't come to play around with nobody. I got the whole tent set up, man. I got the fan out here going. We finna get this motor free if it's not blown, if it's not cooked, and that's what today's video is about. I put some Marvel mystery oil in each of the spark plug chambers. I let that sit overnight, and I'm gonna get the adapter that I was telling y'all about. This is the adapter that mates to that crank pulley, and once I get it on that bad boy, I'm just going to try to rotate it to see if I can get the crank to move at all. If we have any luck, cool. If not, we have other avenues of attacking. I also want to check the oil in here. If there is any left, I would like to drain all of it out, you know, collect it and see if there's any metal shavings in there. I also got the oil filter too, but first we're gonna go ahead and put this bad boy on and see if we can rock this loose. Fingers crossed. Doing all 3 bolts aside from the main one that the crank is connected to in order to fit them into the adapter, and then you put them back in, and that's pretty much how this system works. So I'm about to go ahead and do that. That took longer than I would like to admit to get that mug gone, but now is the moment of truth.
Did I hold it? I want to see it.
Boo! You stink!
So we've been rocking this mug back and forth for about an hour now, and it has given a little leeway, but it still hasn't given out completely. If you see, we can go about that far, and it used to stop right about here. We got probably an extra 2 inches, 3 inches or so out of it. So I think if I keep working it, I can get it to hopefully break loose. I'm gonna go ahead and drain the oil to make sure there is no metal pieces in it, and put some fresh oil in it just to make sure everything is lubricated, and then we'll keep rocking with that. But I'm gonna get under here and see if I can see anything. Looking around, I see a little sparkling, which does indicate that metal is shaved off, but I'm still very optimistic. I haven't found any chunks missing yet. It's just been that. So I went ahead and replaced drained the oil, and then I just replaced the filter as well. As far as the filter, I was reading online. Let me find the box for you. I was told to go with the Wix racing filter. Which one is it? The 51061R. That's what I went with for this. So we just threw that on, and I'm about to fill this up with oil, and I'll get back to y'all. So right now we just adding oil to this bad boy. Said it calls for about 5 quarts. I put about a half a quart of Lucas in there just to thicken it up. I'll probably add this whole bottle, just checking it periodically to make sure it's at the fill line. I've already too had a couple neighbors hit me up asking about the build already, so This should be interesting to say the absolute
least. I think they're gonna hate me by the time I'm done with it.
So the oil has been topped off. I'm gonna sit here and maneuver this a little bit more, and then I'm gonna go inside and try to bump it and see if I can get it to free. But so far we haven't had any true success. We're just gonna keep at it, seeing if I can free the engine up, and we'll go from there. I just poured the oil back in, and you can see it's a little over 2 quarts. I know for sure I added at least a quart of oil, so it was down to at least a quart. And I was driving on that like an idiot. So I don't know, I'm starting to lose optimism by the minute here, but we're still gonna keep working at it.